Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel V2V Vision to Victory. So I already completed few different videos for SSC job preparation, and yesterday I already discussed a few different questions in profit and loss concept. So we'll see 10 more questions in this concept. Definitely you can expect 2 to 3 marks from the profit and loss concept in any competitive examination. Maybe if you guys are preparing for banking examination, maybe you can expect the data interpretation from this topic. That's why focus on concept and calculation, then whatever the question you can solve within the time. So without any delay, we'll start our questions. So here the question number 1. Just go through the data. So who are new to our channel, just subscribe our channel. Now we'll see the question here. In a certain shop, the profit is 130% of cost. If cost is increased by 28% and selling price remains constant. Now, what is the percentage to the nearest whole number? So what is the percentage of nearest whole number? So that's the question. Now see the question here. First you should understand that. See. So here profit is 130% of cost. It means cost to price of article is exactly equal to 100. Now we need 130% of profit means definitely selling price is exactly equal to 230 rupees. So the first information. Now they clearly mention that cost is increases by 28%. If cost is increases by 28%, now it become 128. And the selling prices remain same. Here the same selling price here 230. Now the question here, so what is the profit percentage to the nearest whole number? Now how much profit they will get? See here the profit of that person is exactly equal to 102 units out of 128. Now you should identify that what is the approximation in this calculation. Now see, so here 51 times here. So just go through the cancellation. Now here 64 times. Again if you go for 3 table, it's exactly equal to, so there is no cancellation here. 3 table 64 is not cancelled here. So here we left with a value of C. 51 is divided by 64. Just go through the information. So if you identify the decimal value of 51 by 64, it is exactly 0 point. Now it becomes 510, right? Now 64 is multiplied by, see, 64 is multiplied by 7 times. 7 4s are 28, 7 6 are, so 448. So what is the difference of 510 and 448 means if you add plus 2, it becomes 450. Again 60 units extra. Total 62 units extra. Again it becomes 620. Now see, it's a 0.7 times. Now here 64 is multiplied by 7 times. Here the resultant is 448. Now we need 620. So definitely value should be more than 7. So more than 7 means approximately it's a value of 0.79, which is multiplied by 100 times. Approximation value is 80%. Guys, be faster in the calculation. While solving any question, calculation plays the key role, guys. You can save your time through calculation. So apply the proper concept, then you can get the answer. Now go through the next one. Just try this question and post your answer in the comments, guys. I will check your comments. See the question here. A calculates his profit percentage on selling price. See here the person A calculated profit percentage based on selling price. And B calculates his profit percentage based on cost price. His profit percentage is equal to based on cost price. And you already know that any percentage of profit or percentage of loss is always calculated based on cost price. Now here, if the difference between their profits is 588, profits is 588. So the selling price of article for both of them is same and both of them gets 28% of profit. Now see, converted into fraction. 28% value is exactly equal to 28 by 100. It's a value of 4. You just 7 4s are 28. So divided by 25. Now question here. 7 by 20th is profit percentage. But here A is calculated based on selling price. B is calculated based on cost price. Remember that. So whatever the comparison value. and whatever the resultant, according to the information, you have to consider CP value and SP value. See, for example, A calculated is profit percentage based on selling price. It means here selling price is exactly equal to 25 units. So here profit is 7 units. If selling price is 25 units, profit is 7 units. You already know that any profit percentage, selling price is always greater than the cost price. So here the cost price of that article is exactly equal to 18 units. That is first calculation. Next one. Here again same fraction. Why? Because both of them get 28 percentage profit only. Now here you should calculate a denominator as cost to price. Why? Because B calculated is profit percentage based on the cost price. Now profit is still same, 7 units. Now what about the selling price? Here exactly equal to 32. So the data clearly mentioned that, see, here the data clearly mentioned that the selling price of both the articles is same. Selling price is same means you should multiply these entire equation with a 32. You should multiply these entire equation with a 25. Now here we have a comparison. Here the difference of their profit. See, here the profit is 7 is multiplied by 32. Here profit is 7 is multiplied by 25. Now if you observe the calculation, 7 is the common number. Here the difference between 32 and 25 is also 7. Now total number of units is exactly equal to 49. Now 49 units is equal to 588. Now exactly it is 12 times. Now each unit is equal to 12 rupees. Another question. What is the selling price of each article? You already know that selling price is same for both the articles. Now what is the selling price here? 25 is multiplied by, see, 25 is multiplied by 32. So each unit is equal to 12 units. Just multiply them. Guys, be smarter in the calculation. 25 can be taken as 100 by 4. Now you already know that it is exactly 3 times. 32 3s are 96, which is multiplied by 100. Now the resultant become 9600. Question number 3. Trader gained 25% by selling an article with a 20% discount on its market price. If the cost price of article is increased by 30%, then how much discount should he offer on the same market price to gain of 15% profit? Now let me tell you one point here. See, selling price. Selling price is exactly calculated based on two different information, like based on the cost price, which is multiplied by profit multiplier, based on the market price, which is multiplied by discount multiplier. Guys, let me tell you one point here. Here the ratio of cost to price to the market price is exactly equal to 0. Where cost to price is exactly equal to selling price divided by profit multiplier, selling price divided by discount multiplier. If you cancel, here the ratio of cost to price to the market price exactly equal to discount multiplier and profit multiplier. Remember this concept. You can save your time if you know how to find the ratio of CP to MP. So CP value is exactly depends on discount multiplier and market price is exactly depends on profit multiplier. Now let me take a ratio here. Cost to price, market price. They clearly mention that it a gain of 25% means profit multiplier is 125. Discount of 20%, now it become 80 units. Now they clearly mention that cost price of article is increased by 30%. So 30% means it is increases 24 units. Now it become 104. And they clearly mention that how much discount should he offer on the same market price to get a gain of 15%. Now, what is gain of 15%? See, 10% value is equal to 10.4 and 5% value is equal to 5.2. Total value is equal to 15.6. Now, see, if we add 15.6, now the selling price is exactly equal to 119.6. Now, the question, how much discount does he afford? Now, 125 is the market price, selling price is 119.6. Here, how much offered means 5.4 units he offered out of 125 into now 25 fours, 25 fives. So you can see 5 ones are 5 point. So it's a 1 point. We'll do one thing. It's a 5.4, right? So let me take in this way 54 or okay. It's a 5 ones are 5. So 5 ones are 5. It's a, again see 4 means you never get in the 5 table. So if you take a 0 as a carry forward, now it's a 1.08. If you multiply it, you will get the 4.32. Be smarter in the calculations. Choose that option. See the question number 4. Just observe carefully how I'm taking the values. Now see, the selling price of a commodity after discount of 15% is equal to the selling price after discount of 25% on the purchasing price of another item. If the sum of the purchasing prices of both the items is 640, find the selling of each article. Now, see, just identify that what is the respective ratio of cost price, market price, and selling price. Here, see, discount is given for 15%, right? 15% is equal to 3 by 20. It means market price is exactly equal to 20 units. Now, the selling price is exactly equal to 17 units. We'll done with 1 point. Now, they clearly mention that the selling price of commodity after discount of 15% is exactly equal to 17 units. And the selling price of after 25% discount. 25% discount means 1 by 4. Again, market price is equal to 4 units. We'll get a discount of 1 unit. Now, definitely selling price is equal to 3 units. Now, the question, they clearly mention that both the selling prices are equal. See how we can equate both the selling prices, guys. You should multiply these number with a 3 and you should multiply these number with a 17. Then both the selling prices are same. Now the question, if the sum of the purchasing prices of both the items. Now see, sum of the purchasing item of both the items. See, 20 is multiplied by 3, 60 units. 17 is multiplied by 4, 68 units. Now total sum value become 128. If 128 units is equal to 640, then each unit is exactly equal to 5 parts. Now the question, what is the selling price of article? 7 3s are 51 and 51 multiplied by 5 times. Now the selling price of that article is 255. See the question number 5. Now Radha marks here her goods 25% above the cost price. She sells 35% of goods at market price, 40% at 15% of discount, and the remaining at 20% discount. What is her overall percentage of gain? Guys, we don't know that how many goods are there. Now my suggestion here, identify the information in terms of quantity. Then we can assume a value. Let me tell you. Here, we don't know that how many quantities are there, but cost to price of that article is just assume 100. Let me tell you, don't consider 100, just see all the information 25% means it's a 1/4 of value. She sells 35%. 35% value becomes 7 by 20th of articles. And 40% value become 2 by 5, right? 20% is 1 by 5, 40% is a 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Say it's a 15% discount and remaining should be. Guys, here the quantities is a common multiples of these denominators. Just assuming that total number of quantities is 20. Now my suggestion, assume cost to price is 80. You can save your time. You can assume 100. You can assume any number. But why I'm consider 80 means 25% means 1/4 of the prices increases. Now here market price of that article must be 100. Then we can save our time. Otherwise, assume 100. Increases 25%. Now it become 125. Anything is a good based on your calculation. But if you assume 80, then market price become 100. Then the next calculation maybe you got easy. Let me tell you a few. Now the point says that first 35% is 7 by 20th of goods means 7 quantities. And they sell at a market price. What is the market price here? 100. So answer is 700. So that is the first transaction. Now 40% means 2/5 of goods. 2 by 5th of 20 is equal to 8 goods. Now they clearly mention that they offered 15% of discount. 15% of discount is exactly equal to 85 rupees, right? Now here the selling price is 85 only. So here the total value. So here total value is exactly equal to 680. If 85 is multiplied by 8 times, it's a value of 680. Now how many remaining? So out of 20 quantities, 15 quantities are already sold. Now left with how many quantities here? 5 quantities. Now they clearly mention that now they are offered 20% discount. So if it is 100 rupees as a market price, they are allowing 20% discount. Now here selling price is 80. Now the total value become 400. So total value is equal to 1780. So 1780 is a selling price of an article. Now what about the cost to price? Cost to price means 20 should be multiplied by 80. Guys, don't multiply with the market price. You should multiply with a cost to price. So now value become 600. Now the question, how much profit does occur? So 1600 becomes 1780. So increases 180 rupees profit out of 1600. Just cancel. Now, so here 16 11s and 16 0.25. See why? Because is 16 11s are 176. 16 into 0.25 is exactly equal to 4 units. If 16 is multiplied by 11.25, it become 180. Just observe, guys, how I am doing the calculation. The next question. So the question number 6. A merchant purchased 650 kg of wheat at 60 per kg. 650 kg of wheat, 50 per kg. He sold 250 kg at a profit of 24%. 250 kg at a 24% of profit. And 200 kg at a loss of 24%. 24% they sell at a loss. At what rate per kg should he sell remaining wheat to gain 20% of initial investment? Now it's a general calculation, guys. See here the general calculation means, see, let me tell you. See first, 650 is multiplied by 50. It gives the cost price. So here 0, 0, 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 32. It's a value of 32,500. So that's a purchasing. No, see, here 240 kg. So it's sell at 24% of profit. See, 24% of profit. Let me minimize the calculation. Let me tell you, see, we should minimize the calculation. Why? Because there is a common observation. 65, 250, 200 and 450 means 40 is completed. And remaining, how much quantity is left? 20. That is better, I think so. So that's a better. Now first 24% of 50. How much? 24% of 50 means it's exactly equal to 12 rupees. Why? Because there is application. X percentage of Y is exactly equal to Y percentage of X means 24% of 50 or 50% of 24. Both the values are same, guys. Now first one. Cost price. 65 is multiplied by 50. Now answer is still same. It's like, see, 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. So it's a value of 3,250. So that's a cost price. Now he sold 25 kg at a profit of 24%. Now see here the price now exactly equal to 62. Now 25 twos are 50. 25 6 are 150. So 1550. So it's dealing with the selling price. Remember that. The next one here remaining 20 kgs at a loss of 24%. So it's a loss of 12 rupees out of 50. Now they are going to sell for 38. So 38 is multiplied by 2 times is exactly equal to 760. Now what about the remaining one? They sell it. To get overall, guys, to get overall, profit is equal to 20%. Now see, we'll do one thing. Now 65 is multiplied by 50 rupees. If you want 20% as a profit means, now you are going to sell for 60 rupees. 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. Now we want 3,900. Now if you add these two numbers, now it becomes 0, 1, carry forward, 3, 2. So it's a 2,310. Now, which is going to sell how much of amount to get overall 20% as a profit. Now, see, what is the difference here? It's a difference of 1590. So 1590. So 1590 is divided by 20 gives the result in its answer. Next. See the next question. Now Joseph bought two woolen jackets. So one at a cost of 2,100, another one at a cost of 3,150. So one 2,100, another one is 3,150. By selling first, he gained K percentage profit. So he gains K percentage profit. So second one at a loss of k percentage. He found that selling price of both is same. So selling price is same. They clearly mentioned that SP1 is exactly equal to SP2. Now he found that selling price both the same. What is the value of k, guys? K percentage means it's 100 plus k. So this is the value of 100 plus k. Is a k percentage? Sorry, it's a loss, right? It's a loss means 100 minus k. So this is the value of 100 plus k, guys. It's a profit multiplier and loss multiplier. Now finally see, if both are equal means here you can get the value is 100 minus k divided by 100 plus k is exactly equal to 2100 divided by 3150. Just cancel. Now here see, so 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 7 30s, 7 4s, 7 5s, 15 2s, 15 3s. Just cross multiply here. 300 minus 3k is exactly equal to 200 plus 2k. Now you can get a k is equal to. Okay. So 5k is equal to 100 and k is equal to 20. Guys, see, if you want derivation for this question, see, now selling price is equal to cost to price into profit multiplier or loss multiplier, right? So here cost to price means 2100 is multiplied by 100 plus k divided by 100 is exactly equal to 3150 into 100 minus of k. 100 minus of k. So this is 100 minus of k divided by 100. So 100 cancel. Finally, you can get the same equation. So try to understand the process. Time, guys. Remember that time is most important factor here. An oil merchant wants to make minimum profit of 2100. He wants 2100 profit. By selling 50 liters, he purchases at 236 rupees. First, identify the cost price. 50 is multiplied by 236. For this, he adds few liters of duplicate. So I just consider X liters of duplicate whose cost is 180. Now 236 means it's a value of 11,800 plus 180x. Remember guys, 100 is divided by 2, 236. Make it as a off. Now, but while selling, see, for this added a few liters of duplicate the cost of 100. Now he sell overall mixer at a cost of 250 per liter. Now what about the selling price? 50 liters plus X, which is sell at 250. Now 1250 and 50 means it's a 12,500, right? So 12,500 plus they clearly mentioned that so they need a profit of 2,100. You already know that profit means selling price minus cost price. Just find the difference of these two numbers. So if you add plus 200, 12,000. Now it's a total value of 700. Now 250 and 180 is exactly equal to 70x is equal to 2100. Now 70x is exactly equal to 1400, then x is equal to 20 liters. Make it simple. So the question number 9. The market price of item is 25% above the cost price. See, market price of an item is 25% above the cost price. Now just assuming that cost price is 100, then market price is 125. The shopkeepers sell it, allowing a discount of X percentage. So they're allowing a discount of X percentage. Guys, discount concept needs both market price and selling price. Remember that. Now they already enacted a loss of 8%. Now see, if cost to price is 100, so if a loss of 8% means definitely selling price is 92. Then what is the value of X? Guys, see, I clearly mentioned that see, here market price become a selling price. It depends on the discount. So how much discount they got? See, 25 plus 8. So 33. So total discount he got exactly equal to 33 out of 125. Why? Because market price minus selling price divided by market price, which is multiplied by 100, gives the discount percentage. Now 25 fours, 25 fives. So 33 is multiplied by 4 times. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. 13. 132 divided by 10 is multiplied by 2. Guys, 5 means 10 by 2. Make it simple. So 264 divided by 10. Now the profit value is equal to 26.4%. That's it. You just try this question, guys. Just try this question and post your answer in the comment section. So almost we have solved 20 different questions in profit and loss, which is most important for your SSC preparation. Just go through the concept. Just go through the concept and go through the proper calculation. Whatever the question in this topic, you can solve within the time limit, guys. So just try this question and post your answer in the comment section. If you want PDF, just download these material from my official Telegram. Search it at the rate of V2VVK. You can get my channel link. So that's it from today's video. Just share this information to your friends who are preparing for different competitive examination. So you can get the unlimited content from both quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. So until the next video, have a nice day. Take care. Good night, guys.